Wellwood City, a peaceful town.
No, it isn't. It is too.
Where any average friend could say the wrong thing.
Okay, I'm officially bored.
Watch Arthur, now, streaming free on PBS.
It is with great fear, I mean pleasure, that I present to you Circo Fabuloso featuring Carmen and her friend Elina's mariachi band!
Oh my gosh! Luna the Moon! It's her! It's really her! Luna! Luna! I love
you! Let's go, Luna! Streaming now.
You're watching 13 PBS Kids.
Celebrate Groundhog Day with PBS Kids. First, locate a groundhog and its shadow. Or step outside and look for your shadow. No shadow means early spring. Shadow means late spring. Note, groundhogs can't really forecast seasons.
Funding for Arthur is provided by and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.